Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So you know that last day I have shared with you a video where I have shown you that how you can get likes and followers in your Instagram account for free without giving any username or password. That's why I'm making another video what you can do the same with getting auto followers and likes in your Instagram account. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, share the video, and you can also join our Facebook group for more latest updates. Thank you. So this is the site we are going to use right now, TikTok. So I'll give the link in the video description so you can just one click away to reach at this site. Now, using this site you can grow your business and do a lot. Now if you notice, there is an option for buy Instagram likes and followers. So if you notice carefully, with very cheap price you are able to get 150 likes and followers in your account with not more than $2 you have to spend, and you will get this followers. But don't worry, as we just promised to show you how you can get a free followers and likes in your account. That's why I'll show you right now. Okay, so for this you have to visit the third option. If you see here in third option we had Instagram promotion free, so click on that option, Instagram free promotion, and you will see there's three options like Instagram likes, followers, and views as well. But before that, if you want to really buy their service, so you can see you have to pay them just for a single time and you will get all the likes and comments in your account. They only support Apple Pay or Google Pay. Previously they were supporting the PayPal, but now they are not allow PayPal, so you can go with Google Pay. And another thing, as we are going to get free likes and followers in our account, it's only for 24 hours, and after that 24 hours we can again get all the likes and followers here. So as you can see here, we have these options like followers, likes, and views. So we'll get all the service now right now. So here we will use my personal Instagram account. So if you want, you can follow my personal Instagram account. Now to get the service, you have to click on this option for create now and give here your email and the username of your Instagram account. So let's see, here in my Instagram account I have literally 900 followers. So let's see it increase or not. I give you my Instagram username and just create the order, and you can see it has a pop-up that we just get the service done. And now I have to wait another 24 hours to get the service again for free. And let's try to get likes in this post as well. So we just click here create order, as our username and email is already there. So we just have to select here the post from these options, and this is our first post. We just click here create order, and you can see there's a pop-up that done with our order. And here we also going to get video views for our Instagram post. So let's see, we're gonna get video views for this video, which have around 150 views. But let's see how many views we get after the order done. So select the video and create your order and wait for a few seconds, and you can see there is a pop-up that all done. Now if you again want to get free likes and views and views, so you have to wait for 24 hours. Now let's go back to our Instagram account and reload the page, and you can see that we get 10 more followers. And if we notice here, we will see that we also get 10 more likes in our that specific post, and also we get all the 250 views extra views in our Instagram video. So this tool really worked great for me. Hopefully it will also work for you as well. And if you are having any error, so you can comment below. I will try to solve this as soon as possible. So thank you, keep supporting, have a great day.